Hi, boys and girls. Today we're going to talk about scales and symbols on a map. Maps never show the sizes and distances as they really are. They are always much smaller than the part of the earth they represent. A short distance on a map stands for much greater distance on earth. The scale of a map shows the relationship between map distances and real distances. A map scale can be shown in many ways. The most common is a line scale. The maps on this page have two line scales. One is for miles and the other is for kilometers. Maps use symbols to show other kinds of information. A symbol is anything that stands for something else. Sometimes a symbol looks like what they stand for. For example, map makers often use tiny airplanes to stand for airports. Color is another important map symbol. The color blue usually stands for water. Map makers often use different colors to show separate states or counties. Map makers use a map key to explain their symbols. The map key tells what each symbol stands for. So we're going to look at the maps on the next slide to look at the symbols to see what they stand for. I want you to pay attention up here. Do you see this word scale? Okay. Let me see. Scale, it's in bold. So when you're doing your questions, it's probably going to ask you something about that. So what you need to do, you need to read around the word. What is a scale? So the scale of a map shows the relationship between map distances and real distances. Also, they put these little things over here too that also gives you the answer. Scale is a diagram that explains distances on a map. The other one, let me see, is a map key. So the map key tells what each symbol stands for. And again, they put it up here. Map key is an explanation of what the symbols on a map stand for. Okay, we're going to go to the next slide and talk about the map